really at a loss because I don't know what to do, and I want to be able to work out in the morning and feel refreshed, and it's really annoying.
The jaw is one of those areas that people rarely think of when it comes to sleep, but the jaw is incredibly important to your sleep cycle. That's why a lot of people actually grind their teeth at night or find that they were clenching in the morning. It's because if your jaw isn't balanced out, it puts different pressure on a gland in the center of your brain called the pineal gland. The pineal gland controls your circadian rhythms, or when you should be sleeping or not. In this case, I'm covering her eyes, making it pitch black, and you'll see that there's no strength in the muscle when it's pitch black. As soon as we let light in, she has a lot of strength. That reiterates that the circadian rhythm is a little affected and there's something funky with the pineal gland. The way that we address it is, in this case, I work the medial pterygoid muscles because I've ruled out all of the other muscles that could be affecting this. The medial pterygoid is one where I need to go inside of her mouth and strip that muscle. It hurts a lot, which is why you'll see her make some pretty excruciating facial expressions, but it helps reset the tension, and that is really important for the bedding of the pineal gland, which is sitting in the way the bones sort of make a bed for it. But if the jaw muscles, which are so strong, aren't working the way they should, it makes that bed a little lopsided, and the pineal gland overreacts or underreacts. So what I'm trying to do here is reset all the muscles of the jaw. And the jaw is super interesting in that it doesn't just open, close the way most people think. It goes forward, backwards, and side to side. So there are a lot of muscles that need to be working as a team. And if they aren't, it can create some of these wonky findings like sleep problems. And in this case, as soon as we've reset all the muscles inside of her jaw, then she's able to withstand the pressure, whether it's dark or whether it's light. And it's night and day, pun intended, from the way it was before. And we'll just see where she sleeps tonight. And what an amazing dismount from the table.
So yesterday I was treated by Dr. Cohen because I couldn't sleep and I was having some jaw pain. And last night I was able to fall asleep, usually around like my regular time, which is around like 9:30, 10 o'clock. I slept through the night, which was great. I'm very happy about that. I woke up, I felt energized and ready to take on the day. Then I had a workout and I was still feeling good. So then I decided to run here. And I'm just so grateful that I was able to sleep because it really does throw me off. So thanks.